Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to you all in our today's mathematics class. Today also we are going to continue the same exercise. Yesterday we did up to 7 number, exercise number 2.1, and I hope everybody you have done the homework. Do you have any problem up to 7 number? Please tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
If you do have any problem up to 7 number, then you can tell me. You can put your problem here. Okay,
Okay,
then
sir.
I'm going to share the screen to here, everyone. All of you look it. Okay. Up to creative section we are doing. We are doing creative section A, and up to question number 7 is completed. Study up to D number we did. Everybody, I think you have completed up to D number. Today, question number 8 onwards. You look at the question. Now come to the question number 8A. 8 number A. What is saying? Read the question properly at first. I'm going to read the question. Okay. Sunayana bought a pen for rupees 19. Sunayana bought a pen for rupees 19 and sold it at 20% profit to Devasis. If she had bought it for rupees 20, then what would be her profit or loss percent is saying here. के भन्दैछ भने सुनयनाले एउटा पेन रुपिस 19 मा किनिछन्, त्यसपछि त्यो पेनलाई 20% प्रॉफिट गरेर देवाशिषलाई उनले के गरेछन्, सेल गरेछन्, बेचिछन्। त्यसमा 20% प्रॉफिट छ। रुपिस 19 मा किनेर 20% प्रॉफिट गरेर उनले 20% प्रॉफिट गरेकी छन्। If she had bought it for rupees 20, what would be her profit or loss percent? यदि त्यही पेनलाई उनले 19 मा नकिनेर रुपिस 20 मा किनेको भए उनलाई कति प्रॉफिट या लस हुन्थ्यो त्यो पर्सेन्टमा निकाल भनेको छ। जस्तै 19 रुपिस मा पर्चेस गरेर 20% प्रॉफिट गरेर बेचिन्। यदि रुपिस 19 मा नकिनेको भए त्यो पेनलाई उनले 19 मा नकिनेर 20 मा किनेको भए उनलाई कति पर्सेन्ट प्रॉफिट हुन्थ्यो या लस हुन्थ्यो के हो निकाला भन्दैछ क्वेशनले है। So okay, then I'm going to write this question on the board here. Question number 8A. Question number 8A. Sunayana bought a pen for rupees 19 and sold it at 20% profit. And sold it at 20% profit. If she had bought it for rupees 20, if she had bought it for rupees 20, what would be her profit or loss percent? What would be her profit or loss percent? This is the question. Now you can see on the board here. You can see on the board. Is the question visible? Can you understand it? Look it here.
Yes,
Question number 8. I'm doing just an example. Okay, here. एउटा example मैले गर्दैछु. Here it is saying Sunayana bought a pen for rupees 19 and sold it at 20% profit.
So screen मा देखेको छैन त?
देखेछ सर।
What is the problem?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now is okay?
Yes.
Santosh Khadka, it's okay now? Okay. Sunaina bought a pen for rupees 19 and it at 20% profit. If she had bought it for rupees 20, what would be her profit or loss percent? Sunaina purchased it for rupees 19. While purchasing it for rupees 19, she sold it at 20% profit. Only 19 rupees मा किनेर 20% profit गरेर सेल गरेको रहेछन् है। त्यसपछि अर्को केस छ पछाडी नेक्स्ट केस छ if she had bought it for rupees 20, यदि उनले यसलाई 20 रुपीस मा बट गरेको भए किनेको भए what would be her profit or loss percent? उनको profit या loss percent कति हुन्थ्यो त्यो निकाल भनेको छ। पहिला सुरुमा त हामीले जाने छौं। The CP is already given in case first CP is equal to rupees 19 given and there is profit is given there 20%. So you know CP we have, profit percent we have, then we can find directly selling price. At what price is sold it, we can find selling price SP. SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP formula. You know, SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP we can do, because in case of CP given and a profit percent given, we can apply the formula selling price SP is equal to CP plus profit percent. Here profit percent of CP we can find from here SP. Selling price we can find. Then if she sold it at she bought it for rupees 20, then what would be the profit or loss percent? यदि फेरि CP लाई 19 सपोज नगरेर 20 कन्सिडर गर्ने हो भने उनलाई कति प्रॉफिट हुन्छ या लस हुन्छ? लस हुन्छ भने लस पर्सेन्ट निकाल्न पर्यो, प्रॉफिट हुन्छ भने प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट निकाल्न पर्यो है। ल यही काम गर्ने हामीले। सो यु डु इट हियर। I solve it completely. So here we have given CP of pen. CP of pen is equal to rupees 19. CP कति छ हामीसँग 19 छ. A profit is given there 20%. Profit is equal to, we can write 20%. Okay. Then CP you know, profit percent also you know, then we can find the selling price SP. So now we know that selling price SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP. This after CP already you know 19 rupees, so we can put here 19 plus profit percent is given there 20% we can do of CP same as rupees 19 we can put here. This after 19 is as it is plus 20% is 20 per 100. We have to divide by 100, multiply by 19. This is equal to 19 plus 25 is 100. That is 19 upon 5. 25 is 100. 20 here this became 19 upon 5 we can write. This is equal to 19 plus 5 3 is a 15, 5 8 is a 40. No. How many comes it? 5 3 is a 15. Yes, 5 8 is a 40. Yes, this comes. This after we get rupees 19
Sir.
plus. Any problem?
सर त्यो 3.8 डिवाइड गरेर आएको हैन?
Yeah, 19 divided by 5 you can do.
Yes. 3.8.
19 by 5 you can press calculator. Otherwise you can take LCM also here, but directly we can convert into decimal, no problem. 19 upon 5 you can press calculator, directly you can get 3.8. So 19 plus 3.8, then we get here 22.8. This is the selling price of the pen. Selling price of the pen you are getting 22.8. Selling price. उनले कतिमा बेचेको छ नि त? उनले 19 रुपीस मा यसलाई पर्चेस गरेर उनले कतिमा बेचेको छ? 22.8 मा सेल गर्दाखेरि उनलाई 20% प्रॉफिट भएछ। फर्स्ट केसमा त क्लियर छ, केही गर्नै पर्दैन। CP you know, profit you know, then you know this formula SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP. You are taught here. This formula already taught. SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP. The CP you know, profit percent you know, then what to do? We can find the selling price. At what price is sold it, we can find it easily. सजिलै निकाल्न सकिन्छ सेलिङ प्राइस त आयो यहाँबाट ल आफ्टर फाइन्डिङ सेलिङ प्राइस again what is saying question is read the question ahead here it is saying after this if she had bought it for ₹20 यदि उनले त्यो पेनलाई 20 रुपीस मा किनेको भए what would be her profit or loss percent अब CP19 कन्सिडर नगरौँ 20 लाई कन्सिडर गरौँ हामीले सपोज गरिहालौँ 19 थियो पहिला 19 CP हुँदाखेरि 22.8 मा सेल गरिन् त्यहाँबाट उलाई 20% प्रॉफिट भयो यदि यसलाई 19 मा नकिनेर 20 मा CP20 लाई कन्सिडर गर्ने भने उलाई प्रॉफिट कति हुन्छ या लस कति हुन्छ निकाल भनेको छ त हियर अगेन if CP of pen is ₹20 then all of you tell me if CP of the pen is 20 in place of 19 CP19 को ठाउँमा यदि 20 भइदिएको भए कति हुन्थ्यो होला CP त 19 थियो पहिला अहिले CP भएर यदि CP उनले चाहिँ त्यसलाई 20 मा किनेको भए उलाई कति प्रॉफिट या लस हुन्छ उनले सेल गरेको त यही हो है SPA नै हो 22.8 नै हो so if CP of the pen is ₹20 then what can be the profit her it will be profit or loss for her उनलाई प्रॉफिट हुन्छ कि लस हुन्छ ल भनिहाल त 20 मा किनेर पनि 20 होइन प्रॉफिटै भइराछ हैन 2.8 भइराछ नि त है भन्छ त क्लियर छ त हेर नि 19 मा पर्चेस गरेर 20% प्रॉफिट गरेर सेल गर्दाखेरि 22.8 रुपैयाँ आन्सर भइराको छ एसपी अब यसलाई उनले 19 मा नकिनेर 20 मै किनेको भए पनि सी गेट्स द प्रॉफिट 22.8 मा सेल गरेकी छन् त्यसले गर्दा प्रॉफिट हुन्छ इफ सीपी अफ पेन इज ₹20 then there will be profit then profit we can find here profit is equal to SP minus CP we can do that is selling price her selling price is ₹22.8 we can write minus CP cost price is there 20 we can put here 20 then this is ₹22.8 minus 20 then here 2.8 rupees comes this is her profit अहिले पनि profit भइराछ still she is getting profit in case of this 19 if she purchase it for ₹20 यदि उनले यसलाई 20 मा किनिन् भने पनि उनलाई 2.8 प्रॉफिट नै हुन्छ 19 मा किन्दाखेरि 20% प्रॉफिट गरेर सेल गरिन् 22.8 मा सेल गरिन् यदि सेलिङ प्राइस 22.8 नै हुने र सीपी चाहिँ 19 को सट्टा चाहिँ 20 रुपैयाँ हुने हो भने उनलाई कति % प्रॉफिट हुन्छ या लस हुन्छ त्यो निकाल भनेको छ त्यही हामीले निकाल्दैछौँ ल if CP of the pen is ₹20 then CP20 you are considering selling price already you have found here 22.8 now C is getting profit so you can find profit is equal to SP minus CP SP is 22.8 minus CP is 20 है in place of 19 CP and 19 नलेख्ने 20 नै लेख्दिने यहाँ जे छ त्यही is equal to this therefore profit percent is equal to we can write profit amount upon CP multiply by 100% so this line we can do this after profit is there 2.8 profit we are getting 2.8 CP means which CP we have to put 19 or 20
CP sir
yes CP which we have to put 19 rupees or 20 rupees which one CP we have to put
20
we have to put CP है यो पछिल्लो CP पुट गर्न पर्छ so upon 20 multiply by 100% so this after 25 is 100 you can place your calculator how many comes 11% 11% is the answer yes still she is getting 11% profit अझै पनि उलाई 11% प्रॉफिट भइरहेको छ यसरी बुझ्नु पर्छ है ठीक छ
14% आहा
14
14%
Oh, yes.
14%
Yes,
sir.
correct. 14% yes you have calculator you can press it 14% is the answer you know this very well जाने कि छ क्याल्कुलेटर प्रेस गर न तिमीहरुले ल are you clear up to here
Yes sir.
this question
Yes, sir.
clear about this can you do it
Yes sir.
yes sir
सकिन्छ हैन अब यसमा listen it is no problem first of all CP given 19 20% profit given CP you know profit percent you know SP you can find easily SP comes directly here again after this if she had bought it for ₹20 यदि उनले यसलाई 20 रुपैयाँ मा किनेको भए what would be your पछि छ हैन CP लाई 20 सपोज गरे again if CP of the pen is 20 in place of 19, 19 को सट्टा यदि हामी 20 rupees भइदिएको भए, then profit becomes there. CP is 20, SP is 22.8, then there is getting profit. The profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is this we can subtract. Now profit percent equal to profit upon CP into 100%. Profit you are getting 2.8, so this we can put CP. CP means this, not a previous CP, okay, this is 20. 20 we have to put into 100%, this is the 14%. So like this, therefore, C would, we can write, therefore you can write here yourself, therefore, her profit would be 14%, we have right answer. In this way we can. Now, let's go to next question. Did you write this? Did you copy this in your copy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, again, I am going to share the screen to everyone. Okay, let's see next question. Next question, question number 8B. 8 number B, I think no need to tell, you can do yourself. Pratik bought a sweater for rupees 1750. He sold it at a profit of 4% to Biswan. What would be his profit or loss percent if he had bought it for rupees 2000? The same question like question number A or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can do it yourself. You आफैले गर्ने है. Do this yourself because A number I did, then B number you can do same. In the same way you can do this yourself. Here also CP given, a profit percent given. Now SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP you can do. Then selling price you can get. Again, if CP is equal to 2000, then there becomes profit or loss. You have to find it yourself. If loss becomes then loss percent, find it. If profit, then profit percent, you have to find it. Okay, now let's go to the question number 9A. 9 number A. 9 number A, what is saying? Mrs. Yadav sold a bag for rupees 1368, otherwise 1368 at 5% loss. Calculate her profit or loss percent if she had sold it for rupees 1500. 12 question is saying this. So here, all of you, if you understood the question number 8A and B, then this 9 number also you can do in the same way. Look it once. You have got idea. I think you have to create your idea. Question number 8A. Okay, I am going to explain it again. Mrs. Yadav sold a bag for rupees 1368 at 5% loss. So what is given here? So you have given SP here in place. CP is not given, SP given. SP is given 1368 given. And next is loss is given. Loss is equal to 5%. Loss given 5%. So now you have to think it here. SP दिएको छ, loss percent दिएको छ, अब मैले के निकाल्न सक्छु भन्ने कुरा त आइडिया त लिन पर्यो नि हामीले. SP दिएको छ, loss percent दिएको छ, फर्मुला चाहिँ यसो सम्झिहाल, मेमोराइज गर. SP अब हामीले CP निकाल्न पर्छ यहाँनिर त. CP त निकाल्न सक्छ मजाले. SP is given there, loss percent given, then you know that CP formula. CP is equal to, we know direct formula you can apply SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. Is this formula? 100 minus loss. It is loss, so we have to write. It is loss, so we have to write minus loss. Minus loss percent we have to. Did you understand? Yes. SP is given. Loss is given.
Yes, sir.
Then CP we can find. CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. This is the formula you are taught already. Otherwise, next formula also we have. SP is equal to CP minus loss percent of CP. अर्को फर्मुलाबाट जाँदा पनि हुन्छ. उही हो, एउटै कुरा हो, तर यसमा डाइरेक्ट आउँछ. You can apply this directly. SP दिएको छ हामीलाई, loss percent पनि दिएको छ. अब CP निकाल्ने. CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent गरिदियो भने डाइरेक्ट CP आइहाल्छ. फर्स्ट केसबाट हामीले CP निकाल्छौँ. First case, from these two things, SP and loss percent, we can find CP easily. हामीलाई दिएको छ त के? SP दिएको छ, loss percent दिएको छ. अब CP निकाल्न सक्छौँ मजाले. CP निकाल्न, CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent from first case. Understood this up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's go further. Calculate her profit or loss percent if she had sold it at 1512. यदि उनले चाहिँ यसलाई 1368 मा सेल नगरेर 1512 मा बेचेको भए उनलाई कति प्रॉफिट हुन्थ्यो या लस हुन्थ्यो त्यो पर्सेन्टमा निकाल भनेको छ. अब फर्स्ट केसबाट तिमीले के निकाल्छौ सीपी निकालिहाल्छौ सीपी आन्सर कम्स फ्रम दिस फर्स्ट स्टेटमेन्ट यो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेन्टबाट सीपी आइहालेको हुन्छ अब हामी सेकेन्ड केसमा जाउँ सीपी त तिमीलाई थाहा भइसक्यो अनि सेकेन्ड केसमा के भनेको छ if she sold it for rupees 1512 यदि त्यहाँ एसपी चाहिँ 1512 हो भने 1512 हो भने लस हुन्छ कि प्रॉफिट हुन्छ निकाल भन्छ अब त तिमीलाई सजिलो भइहाल्यो नि अब हेर त यहाँनिर यो अगाडिको एसपी 1368 हुँदाखेरि यति सीपी आउँछ यहाँ सीपी त तिम्रो एउटै हुन्छ सीपी फरक पर्ने कुरा भएन सीपी यहाँबाट निकालिसकेका हुन्छौ अब यो सीपी यहाँ छँदैछ एसपी पनि यहाँ छँदैछ एसपी र सीपी थाहा छ अब सीपी र एसपी कम्पेयर गर if SP is greater than CP then there will be profit if SP is less than CP then there will be loss if it is loss then loss person find it if it is profit then profit person find it no problem सकौला किन हेर त यो अगाडिको स्टेटमेन्टबाट सीपी निकालिहाल्छौ यहाँनिर है सीपी यहाँ एन्सर आइसकेको हुन्छ अनि पछाडी एसपी यो भइहाल्यो अब यो सीपी र एसपी कम्पेयर गरेर यो दुईटाको यो माथिको एसपी छोड यो अगाडिको एसपी त हामीले यो सीपी निकाल्नको लागि हेल्प गरे सिद्धियो त्यसको काम सिद्धियो अब हामीले अगाडिको दुईटा एसपी र एलो लस पर्सेन्टबाट सीपी निकालिसकेका हुन्छौं अब सीपी चाहिँ त्यही फिक्स हुन्छ त्यसमा चेन्ज हुने कुरा भएन त्यसपछि सेकेन्ड केसमा एसपी दिएको छ हामीलाई सीपी छ एसपी छ अब सीपी र एसपी चेक गर अब एसपी सीपी भन्दा ग्रेटर छ भने प्रॉफिट हुन्छ और लेस छ भने लस हुन्छ अब प्रॉफिट छ भने ग्रेटर छ भने प्रॉफिट निकाल प्रॉफिट अमाउन्ट निकाल लस छ भने लस अमाउन्ट निकाल हैन त्यसपछि गएर अब प्रॉफिट हो भने प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट निकाल्नलाई प्रॉफिट अपन सीपी इन्टु 100% गर्न पर्यो लस अपन सीपी इन्टु 100% गर्न पर्यो लस पर्सेन्ट निकाल्नको लागि के हुन्छ अब त्यो निकाल्न सकिन्छ विल यु डु योरसेल्फ आफैले गरौला यो क्वेशन व्हाट टु डु मे आई लिभ इट Okay, yes, you have to do it. Yes, you have to try it once. एक बार try करने हैं. You have to try. If problem, then we'll discuss tomorrow. समस्या है भने मलाई सोध्दा हुन्छ केही फरक पर्दैन. You complete this yourself. Okay. Now let's go to next question. I think 9 number B also same question. I'm going to share the screen. Okay, now look at next question. A B number question. B number is there. A grocer sold 5 kg of wheat flour at rupees 55 per kg. 5 kg of wheat flour at 55 per kg saying it is CP given. SP given. Now you know per kg 55 rupees. Then 5 kg is purchased there. Sold it. Therefore we can find SP of 5 kg wheat flour is equal to 55 into 5 you multiply then this SP you can get यहाँबाट SP आइसकेको हुन्छ अब 5 kg को कति हुन्छ थाहा भइहाल्छ अब 1 kg को 55 भनेपछि 5 kg को SP कति हुन्छ SP of 5 kg is wheat flour is equal to 5 into 55 multiply गर्ने SP आइहाल्छ हैन तिमीले निकाल्न सक्छौ and gain 10% भन्छ अब उनले त्यहाँ कति पर्सेन्ट गेन गरेछ त 10% the 10% profit percent is given SP is given then you know SP given profit percent given then CP you can find CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent formula you can apply then you can find CP from this first statement बाट तिमीले CP निकाल्न सक्छौ अब अगाडि बढ यो अगाडि क्वेशन सेम क्वेशन छ if he had sold it at rupees 52 per kg what would be his gain or loss यदि उसले चाहिँ 55 पर केजी मा सेल नगरेर त्यसलाई 52 पर केजी मा सेल गर्ने हो भने उसलाई प्रॉफिट हुन्छ या लस हुन्छ के हुन्छ पर्सेन्टमा निकाल भनेको छ त त्यसको लागि के गर त फेरि अब फेरि अगेन यहाँसम्म अगाडिबाट तिमीले चाहिँ सीपी निकालिसकेका हुन्छौ उयो अगाडि क्वेशन जस्तै भयो ए नम्बर जस्तै if he had sold it at 52 rupees per kg भनेको छ त SP of 1 kg wheat flour is equal to 52 then SP of 5 kg wheat flour is equal to 5 into 52 you multiply it then you can get SP अब त्यो SP यसलाई मान्ने पछिल्लो SP जति आउँछ त्यसलाई SP सपोज गर्ने अगाडिबाट तिमीले चाहिँ CP निकालिसकेका हुन्छौ त्यो CP र SP कम्पेयर गर्ने यदि लस भएछ भने लस पर्सेन्ट निकाल्ने प्रॉफिट भएछ भने प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट निकाल्ने this is your work it is left as an exercise for the students now I am going to teach you question number 10 अब म 10 नम्बरमा जाँदैछु question number 10 Question number 10A, a shopkeeper sold a mobile set for rupees 9,600 and made a loss of 5%. For what price should he sell it to gain 10%? A shopkeeper sold a mobile set for 9,600 and made a loss of 5%. First statement बुझौँ त यहाँबाट हामीले के निकाल्न सक्छौं त्यो बुझौँ. एउटा शपकीपरले मोबाइल सेटलाई 9,600 मा सेल गर्दाखेरि त्यहाँनेर 5% लस भएछ भनेपछि एसपी थाहा भयो मोबाइलको लस पर्सेन्ट पनि थाहा छ त एसपी यु नो लस पर्सेन्ट यु नो देन सीपी यु क्यान फाइन्ड इजिली. सीपी आयो कि नै फर्स्ट केसबाट उयो अघिल्लो क्वेशन जस्तै भयो
आयो
आउँछ. सीपी इज इक्वल टु एसपी इन्टु 100 अपन 100 माइनस लस पर्सेन्ट गरिहाल सीपी निकालिहाल्छौँ यहाँसम्म. अब त्यसपछि अगाडि बढ. फर वाट प्राइस शुड ही सेल इट टु गेन 10%. अब यसलाई 5% लसको सट्टा 10% प्रॉफिट गर्नको लागि उले कतिमा बेच्न पर्छ थाहा भइहाल्छ नि. यहाँ सीपी निकालिसकेको हुन्छ फर्स्ट केसबाट. यहाँबाट प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट यहाँ 10% दिएको छ. सीपी थाहा छ, प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट थाहा छ भने एसपी इज इक्वल टु सीपी प्लस प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट अफ सीपी फर्मुला यु क्यान अप्लाई, देन यु क्यान गेट द आन्सर. ओके, आई विल डू दिस क्वेशन अन द बोर्ड. लुक इट हियर. Everyone, please practice questions. Okay, practice a lot. धेरै भन्दा धेरै practice गर्ने बल्ल थाहा हुन्छ. Remember these required formulas. Then you can feel it easy to solve any types of question. Okay, here question number 10. 10 number A. I am going to do solve it. Given that there is given in first statement, what is given? Read the first statement up to first full stop. First full stop सम्म त 5% सम्म हेर त के दिएको छ. अ शपकीपर त्यहाँबाट के निकाल्न सकिन्छ भन्ने कुरा आइडिया आफैले बनाउनु पर्यो. अ शपकीपर सोल्ड अ मोबाइल सेट फर रुपीज 9,600. SP of mobile set given there. SP of mobile set is given there. SP of mobile set is given rupees 9,600. Look at the question, okay, properly. And made a loss of 5%. Loss percent is given there 5%. Loss is given there 5%. Now, lastly, for what price should he sell it to gain 10%? Last time 10% they got a profit person. Okay, now look it here on the board. Okay, everyone, now you can see here. SP of mobile set is 9,600. And the loss is given 5%. This is given by first statement. First statement matter देखो कुरा यति मात्रै हो है. अब हामीलाई SP you know, loss person you know, then CP easily you can find. CP कतिमा किनेको छ थाहा त पाउनु पर्यो नि. CP we can योबाट के निकाल्न सकिन्छ त CP निकाल्न सकिन्छ. त you know, now we know that CP of mobile set, CP of mobile set is equal to, you know, formula SP multiply by 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. This is the formula, you know. Otherwise, another formula also you can apply. SP equal to CP minus loss percent of CP. You लाउन पनि सकिन्छ. यसबाट अलिकति प्रोसेस लङ हुन्छ, थोरै दुई स्टेप अलि बढी हुन्छ. यसमा डाइरेक्ट आन्सर आउँछ. यही लाउँदा राम्रो हुन्छ. यसैबाट डेरिभेसन गरेर यो आएको हो. CP of mobile set equal SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. So SP, you know, there are 9,600 already we have. Multiply by 100 upon 100 minus loss. Loss is given there 5. So this is equal to, upside you can multiply 9,600,000 divided by 100 minus 5. Here comes 95. Please press your calculator. How many comes? Press calculator. 9,60,000 divided by 95. How many comes? You do not have calculator?
10,105.
10,105.
10,195. 105.
Again, please.
Yes, sir.
10,105.
10,105.
Oh, 10,105. Okay. Now, this is the CP of mobile set. CP of mobile set is coming 10,000. 6 years.
105.26.
Okay, 105.26. Okay, the CP is coming this. CP of mobile set equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss. Then we are getting this. This is the CP of mobile set. CP आइसक्यो. अब हामी जाउँ अर्को सेकेन्ड केसमा. Again, we can write here again. अब हेर्नु त. फर्स्टबाट हामीले के निकाल्यौ? CP आइसक्यो. यदि उसले CP यतिमा किनेर 9600 मा सेल गर्यो भने उसले 5% लस गर्दो हैछ. यदि उसले अब CP त यही नै हुन्छ. अब उसले कति 10% प्रॉफिट गर्नको लागि कतिमा सेल गर्नु पर्ला? टु गेट द 10% प्रॉफिट एट व्हाट प्राइस शुड इट बी सोल्ड भन्छ. कति प्राइसमा यसले सेल गरेको हुनु पर्छ भनेको छ. अब यहाँ लेखौं. अगेन a CP same. CP of
Sir.
mobile. Yes.
रामजी त देखेको छैन कि भाइ.
Wait, okay. Action है. Now can you see? Can you see now? Hello, Samriddha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at here. CP of mobile is, CP of mobile is equal to, this is same, rupees 10,105.26. This is CP, and there is profit. To get the 10% profit, at what price should it be sold भन्छ. कतिमा बेचिनु पर्छ? जस्तै हाम्रो यदि उसले 10% प्रॉफिट गर्न पर्यो भने कतिमा बेच्नु पर्छ? CP from the first case, अगाडिको केसबाट हामीले CP निकालिसकेका छौं. अब 10% प्रॉफिट गर्नले कतिमा बेच्नु पर्ला भनेको छ. We have to find the selling price. Okay, so now we know that what is the formula? CP we got from the first statement. CP we solved here, we got here. CP, profit is 10%. CP, profit percent, then SP we can find. SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of